Yes, now start. Start, Navya.
Yes, ma'am. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AL, is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, and self correction. Particular applications of AL include expert system speech recognition and machine vision. In contrast to AL, the intelligence displayed by humans and animals is called natural intelligence.
Okay. So
AL can
AI
be
stands for,
categorized.
one second, Navya. AI stands for artificial intelligence. Is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer system. तो AI क्या है? हमारा एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस सिस्टम है. एक तरह से जो ह्यूमन बींग्स होते हैं उनके पास क्या होती है? नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस. और उसी इंटेलिजेंस को जब हम मशीन में कन्वर्ट करके अपनी फिजिबिलिटी के लिए, ईज ऑफ एक्सेस के लिए यूज करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. दीज प्रोसेसेस इंक्लूड लर्निंग, रीजनिंग एंड सेल्फ करेक्शन. इसमें हमारा क्या क्या आता है कि हम पहले उन चीज़ों को लर्न करते हैं, फिर उन प्रॉब्लम्स को हमें सोल्व कैसे करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सोल्व हेयर. बच्चे डोंट टच ऑन द स्क्रीन. इज इट विजिबल स्क्रीन? डोंट क्लिक ऑन शेयर मोड. So next is particular application of AI include expert system, speech recognition and machine vision. तो जब भी हम AI की बात करते हैं तो उसमें हमारे पास क्या क्या होगा? एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम होगा, मीन्स वो मशीन्स होंगी जिसके थ्रू हम ऑपरेट करेंगे. देन स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन, जैसे कि हमारे पास शीरी है, अलेक्सा है, ये सारे हमारे के AI के एग्जाम्पल है. देन मशीन विजन. In contrast to AI, the intelligence displayed by humans and animals is known as natural intelligence. अगर हम हमारे ब्रेन की बात करें, हमारी थिंकिंग की बात करें, दैट इज आर इंटेलिजेंट नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस. और उनको अगर हम मशीन में यूज करेंगे, दैट इज नोन एज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. जस्ट हाईलाइट दिस लाइन. इंटेलिजेंस डिस्प्लेड बाय ह्यूमंस एंड एनिमल्स इज नोन एज नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस. नेक्स्ट, नव्या. यस नव्या, स्टार्ट बेटा. व्हाट हैपेंड?
AL can be categorized as either weak or strong. Weak AL, also known as narrow AL, is an AL system that is designed and trained for a particular task. Virtual personal assistant such as Apple's Siri are form of weak AL. Strong AL, also known as artificial general intelligence, is an AL system with generalized human cognitive abilities. When presented with an unfamiliar task, a strong AL system is able to find a solution without human intervention.
Okay, stop. So we have basically two type of AI, that is weak AI and strong AI. तो weak AI means जहाँ पे आपको कुछ खुद से करने की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, दैट इज या वीक एआई. और स्ट्रॉन्ग एआई जहाँ पे विदाउट ह्यूमन बीइंग इंटरवेंशन, जैसे कि हमारे पास ऑटोनोमस एंड नॉन ऑटोनोमस रोबोटिक्स का एग्जांपल था, वैसे ही हमारे पास एआई स्ट्रॉन्ग भी होती है और वीक भी होती है. तो वीक का एग्जांपल अगर हमने जो भी हम अपने ऑडियो रिकॉग्नाइजेशन सिस्टम यूज करते हैं, जैसे एप्पल फॉर्म में श्री आता है या फिर आप अलेक्सा का यूज करते हो, तो वहाँ पे आपको पहले कमांड देनी पड़ती है कि उसको क्या ऑपरेट करना है, देन वो मशीन ऑपरेट करती है. दैट इज दोज आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वीक एआई. और स्ट्रॉन्ग एआई वो हमारा क्या आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस सिस्टम है, जो क्या जनरलाइज द ह्यूमन कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटीज, मीन्स जिसमें ह्यूमंस की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती, जो टास्क ह्यूमन कर रहे हैं वीक एआई में, वो भी वो स्ट्रॉन्ग एआई खुद से करते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, एनीवन एल्स हु वांट्स टू रीड एक्सेप्ट नव्या? आस्था, दक्षिता, इशिका, भावना, महक, पूर्वा, anyone who wants to read, or Navya will continue? Okay, Navya, you continue. What happened, Navya? Neonika, you want to read?
Ma'am, from where I have to start?
From here.
Actually, the meeting was ended.
Third paragraph,
Okay,
beta.
ma'am.
Because hardware, software.
Okay. Because hardware, software, and staffing costs of AL can be expensive, many companies are including AL components in their standard offerings, as well as access to artificial intelligence as a service ALAES platforms. ALAAS allows individuals and companies to experiment with AL for various business purposes and sample multiple platforms before making a commitment. Popular AL cloud offerings include Amazon AL Services, IBM Watson Assistant, Microsoft Cognitive Services, and Google AL Services.
Okay, so because hardware, software, and staffing cost of AI can be expensive, many companies are including AI component in their standard offering as well as access to artificial intelligence as a service ALAAS. मीन्स अगर आप AI में जाना चाहते हो या फिर आप ऐसी मशीन्स बनाना चाहते हो, ऐसे डिवाइसेस बनाना चाहते हो, दोज कैन ऑपरेट एज एन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, तो उसके लिए आपको हार्डवेयर की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, सॉफ्टवेयर की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी और स्टाफ का भी होगा क्योंकि आपको कोडिंग करनी होगी, मैनेजमेंट करना होगा, तो वो सारा क्या होता है, एक्सपेंसिव हो सकता है. तो रादर देन यूजिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन अ सेपरेट वे, वी हैव वन प्लेटफॉर्म दैट इज artificial intelligence as a service platform. So this platform provide you everything except, rather than using separate hardware, software and staffing costs, using this platform we can embed AI system. So AAS allows individual and companies to experiment with AI for various business purposes and sample multiple platforms before making a commitment. Popular AI cloud offering include Amazon AI service. So this is an example of artificial intelligence platform. Amazon AI services, to highlight this line also, IBM Assistant, Microsoft Communicative Services, and Google AI services. So all these are example of artificial intelligence as a services. Yes, continue, Neonika. Yes, Bhavya, you want to speak anything?
While AI tools, yes, ma'am.
Bhavya wants to speak something? Okay, continue, Neonika.
While AI tools present a range of new functionality for businesses, the use of artificial intelligence raises ethical questions. This is because deep learning algorithms, which underwrite many of the most advanced AI tools, are only as smart as the data they are given in training. Because a human selects what data should be used for training an AI program, the potential for human what is this?
1 second. Where are you, beta? Because a human selects data which should be
Ma'am,
for training as a AI program, and potential for human bias is inherent and must be.
bias is and must be monitored closely. This means that the behavior of an AI system could be influenced by people working on creating the AI, which could make the system inherit undesirable behaviors from those people.
Okay, so now I will play one video so that you can understand this AI in a better way. So just give me 1 minute. One second.
Ma'am, voice is not audible.
Now check. Is it audible now?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, now
Yes,
audible.
ma'am.
Ma'am, now also not audible.
Yes, ma'am, not audible.
Not audible? Is it
Ma'am, when you
audible?
pause the video, that time your voice is audible, then except that it's not audible.
1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do we get when we combine these two together? Artificial intelligence is a broad area of computer science that makes machines seem like they have human intelligence. The goal of AI is to mimic the human brain and create systems that can function intelligently and independently. They say that the age of AI is here. But then, you might be wondering, why don't you see flying cars or robotic maids bringing you lunch? Why doesn't your life more like well, for starters, that's a cartoon, and when it comes to AI, a robot is nothing more than a shell concealing what's actually used to power the technology. AI can manifest itself in many different ways. If you have ever asked Alexa to order your food or browse Netflix movie suggestions, you are actually interacting with AI without realizing it. And that's kind of the point. AI is designed so you do not realize that there is a machine calling the shots. In the near future, AI is expected to become a little less artificial, a lot more intelligent. As AI becomes more intelligent, it will obviously take on the role of an intelligent worker. While most of the repetitive and largely time oriented tasks can be automated using AI, we will still need human experts who can build and maintain these synthetic bots and work on strategic and creative aspects of a job. So, in conclusion, AI is a boon that can help optimize any job. This means that, as always, it's not AI versus humans. Rather, it is a combination of humans and AI versus the actual problem statement. So, what are you waiting for? Pull up your socks and get ready to be a part of this AI revolution. Start learning this trending technology using Edureka's expertise.
Okay, girls. So do you understand something from this video? What is the meaning of
Yes,
artificial
ma'am.
intelligence? Okay, so what is the meaning of
Yes,
artificial here? Anyone? Answer is on the screen only. Anything that is made by human beings and that are not natural. Okay, and intelligence means so this is the ability to learn and do something, think something, do something, or operate something, or respond something. All these are related to intelligence. Means someone is giving you request and you are responding on that. That means intelligence. And when we will combine these two terms, the one thing which is designed by humans and the which things which have ability to think and respond. So both things will together make artificial intelligence. So main goal of AI is to mimic a human brains, which can do intelligent work and sense the works and do something independently. So Robert
Ma'am, the voice is not
is an
audible.
example of AI. I'm sorry, beta.
Like the video voice is not audible right now.
Because I am speaking, that's why, beta. I'm just showing you the
Okay.
content of video. If you want to
Okay.
listen, I can play the song.
AI can manifest itself in many different ways. If you have ever asked Alexa to order your food or browse Netflix movie suggestions, you are actually interacting with AI without realizing it. And
So Alexa is an example of AI. Netflix is also an example of AI. So everything you are using a Google Assistant, that is also an example of AI because you are giving command and that is operating upon your commands. Yes, Navya, what happened? Any doubt?
Now, what is the meaning of manifest?
Where is manifest means
Ma'am,
design.
before.
Design करना.
Okay, ma'am.
Product करना, manufacture करना, that is also manifest. Anything else?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
And that's kind of the point. AI is designed so you do not realize that there is a machine calling the shots. In the near future,
So basically idea behind AI is कि आपको पता नहीं चलना चाहिए कि आप मशीन का यूज़ कर रहे हो. अगर पता चलेगा that is not AI. मीन्स आप क्या कर रहे हो, Alexa का यूज़ किया, आपको लगा कि सारा काम Alexa कर रहा है. So that is the main concept of AI. Like you do not have to realize that someone is behind that work. Everything will be automatically.
AI is expected to become a little less artificial and a lot more intelligent. As AI becomes
So AI will be successful अगर वहाँ पे artificial कम हो, intelligent क्या हो ज़्यादा, then only it will be successful.
more intelligent, it will obviously take on the role of an intelligent worker. While most of the repetitive and largely time-oriented tasks can be automated using AI, we will still need human experts who can build and maintain these synthetic bonds and work on the strategic and creative aspects of a job. So, in conclusion, AI is a tool that can help optimize any job. This means that, as always, it's not AI versus humans. Rather, it is a combination of humans and AI versus the actual problem statement.
So if we are talking about AIs, after AI only human beings are there who are designing this technology for your ease of work. Now tell me if you have any doubts related to what is AI, because today we have discussed only what is AI. Nothing else we have discussed today. So if you have any kinds of doubt in AI or IoT, if you will say IoT, AI and machine learning, those technologies are related to each other, because without IoT you cannot design AI, without AI you cannot design IoT. Again we have machine learning also, because the concept we are designing, that we will design with the help of machines only. So machine learning, AI and IoT, these technologies are related to each other. So if you remember what is the meaning of IoT, anyone? Yes, Navya?
Ma'am, can you explain again artificial intelligence as a service?
Artificial intelligence, so this Alexa is an example of AI. If we are going into robotics, that is also an example of AI.
Ma'am, alas, artificial intelligence as a service, this one. Third paragraph.
Intelligence as an service. Okay, this one. AIW.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is a platform, inbuilt platform, जिसमें जैसे कि आपको बोलते हैं ना कि SKD सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट किट्स आपने पढ़ी थी, या फिर आईडी आपने पढ़ा है, वो हमारे पास क्या है, आईडी क्या है, इंटीग्रेटेड डेवलपमेंट किट है, जिसमें आपको अगर किसी लैंग्वेज में प्रोग्राम बनाने पड़ते हैं तो सब कुछ इसमें इनबिल्ट आता है. ठीक है. ऐसे ही अगर आपको AI मीन्स आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का कोई कंपोनेंट डिजाइन करना है, अगर हम इस प्लेटफॉर्म की बात करें तो इसमें सब कुछ इनबिल्ट आएगा. मीन्स आपको हार्डवेयर भी मिलेगा, सॉफ्टवेयर भी मिलेगा, और फिर जो ऑटोमेटिक डिजाइनिंग भी मिलेगी इसमें, जिसमें आपको प्रोग्राम कम लिखने पड़ेंगे, हर एक मॉड्यूल आपको इनबिल्ट मिलेगा. तो ये हमारा क्या एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो आपको फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करता है AI कंपोनेंट्स को डिजाइन करने के लिए. दैट्स इट. इज इट क्लियर?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So only this much we will discuss today. So if you have any kinds of doubt related to this, you can ask anyone.
Ma'am, artificial intelligence, its short form is AL or AI.
AI.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Or any doubt? And please confirm in all the section chapter no 1 is completed or not? In tulip and in petunia, periwinkle and bluebell, because I was not taking
No, ma'am.
classes in that section. So please confirm if chapter 1 of unit 4 is completed or not.
Ma'am, only first page is done.
So in tulip only first page is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have to discuss that chapter also. 1 second.
Ma'am, tell the summary of the chapter.
That's why I asked before I start this class, but I think Purva, you were not there at that time. You joined late, right? So
Ma'am, I joined some late.
only this much. कहाँ तक हुआ नवया का? Sorry, Purva.
Ma'am, till characteristics of IoT.
Okay, so rest we have to discuss. Okay, so we will discuss this chapter also during live classes. And do you have basic idea of IoT? Tulip class. Muskan, Purva, Priya.
I mean, Internet things.
I know IoT stands for Internet of Things. So what is basically IoT? I think Neonika, Navya can explain. Bhavna, Rakshita, Dakshita, this chapter is completed in your classes. So you can explain what is the meaning of IoT.
Ma'am, it is the technology in which we can communicate with anyone.
So IoT is nothing, that is also smart technologies.
Using internet, we can communicate.
I'm sorry.
Ma'am, using internet, we can communicate with anyone
Means
around
we
the
are
world.
using some devices which are using internet. With the help of internet and those devices, we are getting commands or things are doing happening automatically. So IoT is nothing. This is also an automation, or we can say smart thing. IoT stands for automation, or you can say smart. So if we will say IoT, IoT means all smart devices that we are using nowadays, like we have smart watches, smart clothes, smart home doors, everything is related to IoT only. Okay, Purva? So basic
Yes,
function
ma'am.
behind IoT is this. IoT क्या करता है? जब भी आप IoT device का use करते हो, the main purpose of using IoT is sensing the data, collecting the data and sending the data. So this sensing the data, if you remember, we have studied sensors in last chapter, right? So what is the purpose of using sensor? Sensors is a device which collect data or senses the data from environment and convert into electrical signal. So that this function is done by sensors. Then we have collection of data, means we are using some memory or storage system where we are storing that data which is sensed by sensors. And last we have sending the data, means आपने जो भी data collect किया है via internet or Bluetooth connection we are sending that data. Okay, so IoT is nothing, that is only a smart system. So here you can see the most essential and prevalent term of IoT is smart, which means automation. So what is the meaning of automation? This is a process of decreasing human intervention or involvement, thereby increasing machine intelligence to perform any task by self. तो ये एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जहाँ पे ह्यूमन बींग्स की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या होती है, कम होती जाती है, और मशीन की जो इंटेलिजेंस है वो इम्प्रूव हो जाती है. तो यहाँ पे भी अगर आप देखोगे, मशीन इंटेलिजेंस इज नथिंग, दैट इज योर artificial intelligence only. Okay, so IoT makes an intertwined network of artificial things like physical device, vehicles, home appliances, and even to connect with the natural living beings like plants and animals. तो IoT हम हर जगह यूज करते हैं. अगर हम ट्रैफिक लाइट्स पे भी देखें, अपने घर में हमारे पास कितनी सारी डिवाइसेज है जो सारी IoT पे. अपने स्कूल की बात करें तो आप स्कूल में आते हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली डोर ओपन होते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो स्मार्ट. डिवाइस लाइक देयर वी हैव मोशन सेंसर, जैसे आप नियर बाय आते हो गेट के गेट अपने आप ओपन हो जाते हैं. ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर रिलेटेड टू IoT. आप डे बाय डे कितने हैंड बैंड्स यूज करते हो, ठीक है, जो आपका बॉडी टेम्परेचर, आपका BP लेवल, एवरीथिंग आपको बताता है. दैट इज ऑल्सो IoT. नेक्स्ट वी हैव कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ IoT. मीन्स जब भी आप IoT को डिजाइन करोगे आपको किन बातों का ध्यान रखना है. फर्स्ट इज लो पावर एम्बेडेड सिस्टम. मीन्स IoT में आप जितने भी कंपोनेंट का यूज करोगे, एम्बेडेड सिस्टम क्या है, एम्बेडेड सिस्टम इज अ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम और वी कैन से डेडिकेटेड कंप्यूटर सिस्टम विच इज डिजाइन टू परफॉर्म स्पेसिफिक टास्क ओनली. क्लियर. जब जो भी आप कंपोनेंट यूज कर रहे हो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर ऑल दोस कंपोनेंट्स आर कंज्यूमिंग लेस पावर. व्हाई, क्योंकि अगर आपकी जो कंपोनेंट है ज़्यादा पावर कंज्यूम करोगे तो आप टाइम के लिए यूज़ नहीं कर पाओगे. स्मार्ट सिस्टम की अगर हम बात करते हैं, जैसे कि आप स्मार्ट वॉच का एग्जांपल लो, अगर आपकी जो वॉच है पावर कंजप्शन ज़्यादा ले रही तो इट मीन्स वो क्या है कि 24 क्रॉस भी नहीं चलेगी. अगर वो 2 घंटे बाद ही डिस्चार्ज हो रही तो देर इज नो मीनिंग ऑफ यूजिंग स्मार्ट डिवाइसेस. तो जब भी हम स्मार्ट डिवाइसेस का यूज़ करते हैं वी हैव टू मेक श्योर कि वो आपका पावर कंजप्शन क्या करे, कम करे. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट वी हैव क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग. क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग क्या है, जो भी हमने सेकंड पॉइंट यहाँ पे पढ़ा था, कलेक्शन ऑफ डेटा, सेंसिंग ऑफ डेटा हो गया, कलेक्शन ऑफ डेटा इज या क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग ओनली. तो क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग मीन्स एक ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा जहाँ आप स्टोर करके रखते हो, वर्ल्ड वाइड उस डेटा को यूज करते हो. जैसे कि आप गूगल ड्राइव का यूज करते हो जीमेल में, अगर आपने किसी ने किया है तो अगर आप गूगल ड्राइव में कोई भी फाइल सेव करोगे आप कहीं भी चले जाओ आप उस फाइल को यूज कर सकते हो. जैसे आप अपना लॉगिन ID करोगे आपको वो फाइल एक्सेस हो जाएगी. सो दैट इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग. मीन्स आप डेटा, जो भी डेटा सेंस कर रहे हो आप ऐसी लोकेशन पे स्टोर करोगे जिसको आप एनी टाइम कभी भी एक्सेस कर सको. राइट. नेक्स्ट इज अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ बिग डेटा. अब यहाँ पे आपने डेटा ह्यूज अमाउंट में स्टोर किया तो हमको ये मेक श्योर करना होता है जब भी हम IoT डिजाइन करते हैं कि वो डेटा एनी टाइम अवेलेबल हो 24/7. जब भी आपको वो डेटा चाहिए, इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, आप उस इंफॉर्मेशन को यूज कर सको. राइट. नेक्स्ट इज नेटवर्किंग कनेक्शन. तो जो हमारा लास्ट पॉइंट था यहाँ पे, सेंडिंग अ डेटा. जो भी आपने डेटा कलेक्ट किया है, स्टोर किया है, तो आप किसकी हेल्प से सेंड करोगे, इंटरनेट की हेल्प से. सो मेक श्योर वी आर हैविंग प्रॉपर इंटरनेट connection also for this component of IoT. Is it clear? So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So today time is over. Today, next we will continue this chapter only. First we will revise this chapter, the one who have completed, and then we will start chapter number 2. Okay. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow we will complete this chapter. Then we will start with AI again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt,
Ma'am.
anyone? Any
No, ma'am.
kinds of doubt you can ask. So Anchal
No, ma'am.
to say no, ma'am. Right, Anchal? During whole class, he has said nothing.
No, ma'am. Actually, I joined late today. There was network issue.
Okay, no issue. So tomorrow join on time, everyone. Okay? Now, any
Yes,
doubt,
ma'am.
anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now you all can leave your class. Thank you, beta. Have a good day.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Excuse
beta.
me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I want to ask that like my Prince on Air app na, I don't know my password and user ID, so please can you tell me?
So your ID password is your registered mobile number in school. The numbers you have given.
Ma'am, can you explain low power embedded system again?
1 second, Ronak is asking. Okay, so low power embedded system means जो भी आप कंपोनेंट यूज करोगे IoT को डिजाइन करने के लिए आपको ये मेक श्योर करना है कि वो पावर कंजप्शन कम करें. रीजन, अगर वो पावर कंजप्शन ज़्यादा करेंगे, जैसे कि आप वॉच का एग्जांपल लेते हो, आपने अपनी वॉच को चार्ज किया, अगर वो जल्दी डिस्चार्ज होगी तो वो स्मार्ट सिस्टम में नहीं आएगी. ठीक है. तो IoT जब भी आप डिज़ाइन करते हो, जो भी कंपोनेंट यूज़ करते हो, आपको ये मेक श्योर करना होता है कि वो पावर कंजप्शन कम करें. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Sound, Divya? Why you are making this sound? Okay, now anyone else? Any doubt?
My brother doing.
Your brother is doing, so send him outside.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm just going to end this class. Take care, everyone.